Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel That Amazing Mom. My name is Ritika. So in today's video I'm gonna share this makeup look tutorial with you guys. This is an office or college makeup look without using any foundation, and it is very long lasting, and I have created this makeup look in just 5 minutes. So if you like this look and wanna see how I create it, then just keep on watching the video. So I am starting off with a primer that kind of blurs out the imperfections on your face and makes it equal or neutral for your makeup, and also it makes your makeup last longer. After that, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild concealer that matches my skin tone on my face wherever I have pigmentation marks or dark spots, and also on my dark circles under my eyes, so that my face looks equal from all areas. And with the help of a damp beauty blender, I'm gonna blend all the concealer with the dabbing motion, and I'm not dragging it to other areas. I'm just dabbing it where I have applied the concealer, like you can see. And if you need a little bit more, you can apply it as per your preference. Now after concealing, you can see the difference on my face. It is looking equal in all areas. Now I am applying this cream blush by Sugar on my cheekbones and blending it with the help of a beauty blender. The reason I am using a cream blush is that cream blush stays longer and powder blush oxidizes faster, so that is the reason. Now I am setting my base with this Fit Me compact powder, which also gives me a little bit of coverage. Using this brush, first I am gonna set my under eyes by buffing it and not swiping it. First I will just buff the powder on all my face, and then just I will swipe it with a very little pressure all over my face. So now you can see how nicely my base is looking set. Now I will do my brows with this L'Oreal brow kit. After brushing my brows, I will start outlining from the middle and then fill it. Then I will gradually move to the front area and then repeat the same process, and voila, I am done. You can see the difference. Now I am using this kajal pencil by Sugar and tight lining my upper lash line and lower lash line. Now I am creating a very thin line very close to my lashes. It will look very good, but still it will not look bold like a liner. Now to complete my eye look, I am using this Lash Paradise voluminous mascara for my lashes. A good mascara makes a huge difference to your eyes, as you can see. For the lips, I am using Smashbox Always On matte mini lipstick in the shade Driver's Seat. It is a very good lipstick, long lasting and lightweight. It's a very pretty peachy kind of shade that looks very beautiful on all Indian skin tones. So now this look is complete, and in my opinion it is a very apt look for office or college without using any foundation. So if you also like this look and tutorial, then please like and share and subscribe to my channel and support me. I have provided all the links of the products I have used in the description box, so you can check out there. So guys, if you love this video, please subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.